Hello, hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. I'm Kimmi, guys. How's it going? Well, today is day number 5, and our tip is portion control. Let's control our portions. If you're used to having 2 helpings of macaroni and cheese or 2 helpings of mashed potatoes, whatever your favorite is, and you know what it is, let's try to have half of that or a quarter of it. So one tip for real that I have been doing, I'm doing Weight Watchers for those of you who are new to the channel. I'm doing Weight Watchers. So what I do, because I have my starches, I'm not going to give them up. If you are that person where you can just completely eliminate stuff, I'm happy for you, but I am not. So if I have mashed potatoes, I want me some mashed potatoes. So instead of having, what I normally would have, maybe almost a serving or 2, I'll just have half of that. So portion control. If you're used to having 4 pieces of chicken, let's just say, can we have 2? And can we pick the 2 that we really enjoy? Because sometimes I've eaten like a leg and a wing and I'm not satisfied. I would have rather had the breast, right? And I'll go ahead and I say, well, I'll just eat this and I'll be content. No, sometimes go ahead and have what you actually want. And if that's the breast and the wing and you're going to be content with that, have the breast and the wing. Okay, take it from me. I have done that many a times. I'm like, well, I'll have this. And I wasn't content. I wasn't satisfied. Well, if you go ahead and have what you really want, then you'll be more satisfied, you'll be content, and you won't eat as much, Another thing with portion control when it comes to desserts, you may say, I want a piece of chocolate cake. Have the chocolate cake, but do you have to have the whole slice or a thick slice? Can you have a thin slice or half of it and share it with someone? We gave that tip earlier in the week. Sharing things with people, share your meal, share your plate, share your desserts. So portion control is a big deal. One of the people that's in our challenge actually talked about that, how that is what their plan is that they're doing. They're working on portion control, and they had lost 75 pounds plus. So everyone's plan and journey is going to be different. Whatever you're doing, you're welcome to join the challenge with us. Check it out again at healthylifewithkimmi.com. Again, the challenge, you can sign up for it, is at healthylifewithkimmi.com. Okay, and go back and watch some of the previous videos. Those sessions are not recorded because we talk about some of everything in this session, and I want people's privacy to be protected over there. So I was going to record them as I stated in a previous video, but no, you got to be there in person. So you won't see it on Zoom, at least not for now. Maybe after everything's over, if people are okay with it, I'll share it. But if not, you had to be there. One of those things, if you know, you know. So hopefully you can join us again on Sundays. We're meeting every Sunday this month at 6 p.m. Eastern. And sign up for the free email so you can get reminders at healthylifewithkimmi.com. And again, today's tip is portion control. So either half in your portions, have what you want, but half in it, or share it with someone else. Or another tip was, like we mentioned earlier in the week too, is pack up some of it and take it home. But don't deprive yourself, because one thing I know for sure, and I'm a career dieter, I always say I've been dieting since I came out my mama's stomach, is that if you don't have it now, you deprive yourself, you will have triple of it later. You really will. So go ahead and have what you want, but just have a little bit less. All right, well, that's today's tip, number 5. See you tomorrow. Bye. Much success. And don't forget, fit is the new it. Bye.